ذلك عيسى ابن مريم قول الحق الذي فيه يمترون.
This is Jesus, the son of Mary, and this is the truth about him, concerning which they are in doubt.
ما كان لله أن يتخذ من ولد سبحانه إذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون.
It does not befit Allah to take for himself a son. Glory be to him. When he decrees a thing, he only says be, and it is.
وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ رَبِّي وَرَبُّكُمْ فَاعْبُدُوهُ هَذَا صِرَاطٌ مُسْتَقِيمٌ.
Jesus had said, Indeed, Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so serve Him alone. This is the straight way.
فاختلف الأحزاب من بينهم فويل للذين كفروا من مشهد يوم عظيم.
But different parties began to dispute with one another. A dreadful woe awaits on that great day for those that reject the truth.
أسمع بهم وأبصر يوم يأتوننا لكن الظالمون اليوم في ضلال مبين.
How well shall they hear, and how well shall they see on the day they come to us. But today the evildoers are in manifest error.
وأنذرهم يوم الحسرة إذ قضي الأمر وهم في غفلة وهم لا يؤمنون.
O Muhammad, warn those who are steeped in heedlessness and are obstinately rejecting the truth, that the day shall come when things will be finally decided and they shall be left with utter remorse.
إنا نحن نرث الأرض ومن عليها وإلينا يرجعون.
Ultimately, we shall inherit the earth, and whatever is on it, to us shall they be returned.
واذكر في الكتاب إبراهيم إنه كان صديقا نبيا.
O Muhammad, recite in the book the account of Abraham. Most surely he was a man of truth, a prophet.
إذ قال لأبيه يا أبت لم تعبد ما لا يسمع ولا يبصر ولا يغني عنك شيئا.
And remind people when he said to his father, Father, why do you worship that which neither sees nor hears, and which can be of no avail to you?
يا أبت إني قد جاءني من العلم ما لم يأتك فاتبعني أهدك صراطا سويا.
Father, a knowledge that has not reached you has come to me, so follow me, that I may guide you to a straight way.
يا أبت لا تعبد الشيطان إن الشيطان كان للرحمن عصيا.
Father, do not serve Satan, for Satan has indeed been a persistent rebel against the most compassionate Lord.
يا أبت إني أخاف أن يمسك عذاب من الرحمن فتكون للشيطان وليا.
Father, I fear that a punishment from the most compassionate Lord might strike you, and you may end up as one of Satan's companions.
قال أراغب أنت عن نبيا.
The father said, Abraham, have you turned away from my gods? If you do not give this up, I shall stone you to death. Now begone from me forever.
قال سلام عليك سأستغفر لك ربي إنه كان بي حفيا.
Abraham answered, Peace be upon you. I shall seek pardon for you from my Lord. My Lord has always been kind to me.
وأعتزلكم وما تدعون من دون الله وأدعو ربي عسى ألا أكون بدعاء ربي شقيا.
I shall withdraw from you and all that you call upon beside Allah. I shall only call upon my Lord. I trust the prayer to my Lord will not go unanswered.
فلما اعتزلهم وما يعبدون من دون الله وهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب وكلا جعلنا نبيا.
Thereupon Abraham dissociated himself from his people and the deities they worshipped instead of Allah, and we bestowed upon him Isaac and Jacob and made each of them a prophet.
وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُم مِّن رَّحْمَتِنَا وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُمْ لِسَانَ صِدْقٍ عَلِيًّا.
And we bestowed on them our mercy and granted them a truly lofty renown.
واذكر في الكتاب موسى إنه كان مخلصا وكان رسولا نبيا.
And recite in the book the account of Moses. He was a chosen one, a messenger, a prophet.
وناديناه من جانب الطور الأيمن وقربناه نجيا.
We called out to him from the right side of the mount, and we drew him near to us by communing to him in secret.
ووهبنا له من رحمتنا أخاه هارون نبيا.
And out of our mercy we appointed his brother Aaron, a prophet, that he may assist him.
واذكر في الكتاب إسماعيل إنه كان صادق الوعد وكان رسولا نبيا.
And recite in the book the account of Ishmael. He was ever true to his promise and was a messenger, a prophet.
وكان يأمر أهله بالصلاة والزكاة وكان عند ربه مرضيا.
He enjoined his household to observe prayer and to give zakah, purifying alms, and his Lord was well pleased with him.
واذكر في الكتاب إدريس إنه كان صديقا نبيا.
And recite in the book the account of Idris. He was a man of truth, a prophet.
ورفعناه مكانا عليا.
And we exalted him to a lofty position.
أولئك الذين أنعم الله عليهم من النبيين من ذرية آدم وممن حملنا مع نوح ومن ذرية إبراهيم وإسرائيل ومن إبراهيم وإسرائيل وممن هدينا واجتبينا إذا تتلى عليهم آيات الرحمن خروا سجدا وبكيا. وليا.
These are the prophets upon whom Allah bestowed His favor from the seed of Adam and from the seed of those whom we carried in the ark with Noah and from the seed of Abraham and Israel. They were those whom we guided and chose for an exalted position. They were such that when the words of the most compassionate Lord were recited to them, they fell down in prostration, weeping.
فخلف من بعدهم خلف أضاعوا الصلاة واتبعوا الشهوات فسوف يلقون غيا.
They were succeeded by a people who neglected the prayers and pursued their lusts. They shall presently meet with their doom.
إلا من تاب وآمن وعمل صالحا فأولئك يدخلون الجنة ولا يظلمون شيئا.
Except those who repent and believe and act righteously. Such shall enter paradise and shall not be wronged at all.
جنات عدن التي وعد الرحمن عباده بالغيب إنه كان وعده مأتيا.
There shall be everlasting gardens which the most compassionate Lord has promised His servants in a realm which is beyond the ken of perception. Surely His promise shall be fulfilled.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا إلا سلاما ولهم رزقهم فيها بكرة وعشيا.
They shall not hear in it anything vain. They shall hear only what is good, and they shall have their provision in it morning and evening.
تلك الجنة التي نورث من عبادنا من كان تقيا.
Such is the paradise which we shall cause those of our servants who have been God-fearing to inherit.
وما نتنزل إلا بأمر ربك له ما بين أيدينا وما خلفنا وما بين ذلك وما كان ربك نسيا.
The angels will say, O Muhammad, we descend not except by the command of your Lord. To Him belongs all that is before us and all that is behind us and all that is in between. Your Lord is not forgetful in the least.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فاعبده واصطبر لعبادته هل تعلم له سميا.
He is the Lord of the heavens and the earth and all that is in between. Serve Him then, and be constant in serving Him. Do you know anyone that might be His compeer?
ويقول الإنسان أإذا ما مت لسوف أخرج حيا.
Man is prone to say, shall I be raised to life after I die?